Just thought I'd show you my photo book. This is one of the bonus projects that I've designed with all the measurements and how to make it for you to add to your projects. So this is the photo book. I make things that you can get your decent size 6x4 photos or slightly cut down on. There's no point in having something where you cut the photos so tiny you can't see them. I've obviously put embellishments on the front, but you don't need to. But inside, again, straight away, large big tags for you to be able to use. So you can add photos in there. You could put a large big photo mat in the back as well. So lots of space for added photographs, but keeping everything nice and flat to add to your memory books, folios, whatever you wish. So even an envelope here made into a pocket for more tags. You could even get an extra tag behind there as well. And then we made the envelope on the tutorial for out of paper, so great as well for adding an extra little photo book. You could put memorabilia behind here. These are pockets as well. Okay, but straight away extra photographs, and you could quite easily put 2 in there quite happily. So this is the photo book that I've created. So a nice little add-on project, I think you will agree. Keep your embellishments slim, because then these will fit inside your projects with no problem at all, but give you more space for photographs.